Good morning guys, happy Wednesday. So, time check, it's 10 a.m. in the morning. Right now, hinihintay ko na yung dalawang client. After ng client ko, meron akong class na 12 p.m. hanggang 3. Then after nun, meron naman akong turo ng 3 to 4. So, medyo busy yung araw pero tapusin natin ito na maayos guys. Rest day tayo ngayon sa gym. So, let's go. Silusan na natin mga bossing. 5. Look forward lang. 6. 7, 11, one more, up, nice one, wow, 13.
Scotman 20 cash drop Scotman shout out wala pre kabila tayo boy kabila.
Alright, gym na ulit tayo. Turo lang tayo ng isang client. Let's go. Alright, last meal, my favorite. Alright guys, that's it for today. Day 30 na tayo ng cutting pace natin. Sa 1 month ng pagkakat natin, 4 kg na yung nabawas natin. Mataas yung calories natin guys pero bumababa yung timbang natin. Hindi pa ako ganun ka-active mag-cardio. So minsan 3,000 steps lang ako. That's it for today. Yung total calories na kinain ko today, lagay ko na lang ulit dito. And also yung macros. Pang day 30, let's go. 2 months to go. And ang goal natin is mag 70 or 68 lang. So that's it. See you tomorrow.